Hi guys, this is Ms.Hong. Today's April 21st, Tuesday. And guys, I already posted about Learn Day and Due Day, right? So today is the Learn Day, so you're learning something. You don't have to submit any work, but at the end of the video, or like in the middle of the video, I'm gonna say something about my daughter and you need to answer the question about that. This is just like, I just want to check you watch the video or not. All right, so let's start. And you know what guys, on Google Classroom I put the link for the TI-84 calculator, right? So you know, when you click the link, you will get into here. So test nav, actually this is park exam practice website, but we can use this one for TI-84. So as a guest, just start it. All right, calculator section, because I just want to use a calculator from this website. So you start it, right? And do you see this calculator mark over here, right? So click that one. That's it. You can use your TI-84 calculator. So we need to use a graphing calculator. So today you need to open this graphing calculator website together. All right, and then that link, just save it like somewhere or like make it your bookmark or whatever. So like whenever you need TI-84, you can use this link. All right. So today's lesson, that is solving system of equations graphically. So we're solving systems but using graphing calculator. So all you need to do is just master how to use a graphing calculator. All right. So look at example 1. So I gave you two functions, f of x and g of x, right? And then what are the values of x when f of x is equal to g of x? So that's the question. So that means, you know what, we can just write this one as a system of equation. Y, because you know f of x or g of x, any function we can write it as y. So y equals x squared minus 2x minus 8. Y equals 1 over 4x minus 1, like this. You can just write it like a system of equation. So you have the same variable, which is y. You make it equal together, then you will get this one, right? So just turn on your TI-84. So we will graph it. And I just want to find the intersection of these two graphs, all right? So, hold on. Wait. Okay. Come on, graphing calculator. Wait a minute. What is wrong with you? Give me 1 second, guys. Come on. Oh, yeah. All right. So first, what do you need to do? Press y is equal to. So when you start it, you will start it from this screen, nothing in the screen, but you just press y equals, then you will see this, right? And then what do? We need to type the function. So my functions are, look, so x squared minus 2x minus 8. And my second graph, 1 over 4x minus 1. So you know how to type the fraction. We have shortcut, alpha y is equal to, then it has shortcut like that. So you just press enter. And then I put 1 over 4x minus 1. Like this. So you have two functions. And then press graph. Then do you see it? So you will get these two graphs. And then what? We want to know this one, guys. You will see this graph on your screen. f of x equals g of x. That means x value of the intersection. So we want to find intersection. So to find the intersection, what? Press second trace. This is second trace. So I'm going to do second trace, right? And what? We want to find intersect. So you press 5, right? And then what do you have? Do you see first curve? Look, first curve. So it's automatically, it already chosen the first curve. So you just press enter. And then second curve, then that's automatically that move to the second one, the red one, right? So you press enter and guess. So you know, we want to know about, so you can move it. So we want to know about that point. Do you see you have two different things? So you need to do it twice to get two different points. So press this. Then do you see it? You just get the intersection. Negative 1.75. So that's one of your solution. Negative 1.75. And I want to get my second one, right? So I'm going to do the same thing one more time. So second trace, intersect, first curve, yes. Or you can look at this up here. It's automatically changed. Yes, and guess. But this time, I want to know what? This one. So you need to go closer to there, right? I want to know this point. So what? Intersection is 4, 0. But we just want to know what? X coordinate. So you just answer 4. So my answer for example 1. So to get the second intersect, you need to repeat. I repeat it. And then I got 4. So my answer for example 1, that is x equals negative 1.75 and x equals 4. Like this. That's it. Okay. And let's look at the second. And here's, I put all the process. So, you know, if you don't get it, just look at this one. Like step by step, then you will get it. And on the second page, I put the shortcut over here. Okay, so fraction, how to type the fraction. We already went over that. So alpha y is equal to, and press 1 or press enter. Then you can type the fraction. Whatever you want, you can type the fraction. And absolute value. So look, if you want to type absolute value just like this, then what? Alpha window. And press 1. Then that's absolute value. You can type absolute value over here like that. Okay, so this is the useful shortcut, so you need to know how to do it. All right, and let's do the second problem. So let's go to y is equal to, and this problem is done, so clear both of them and go to y1, and then I'm going to type that one, this one, absolute value of x minus 3. So absolute value, we do alpha window 1. So alpha window 1. And then you type x minus 3. X minus 3. Alright? And my second function, that's 9 minus x. So you just put 9 minus x like that. And then what? We need to graph it. So you just press graph. Oh, I have one intersection over here, right? I want to get this point. So to get it, what we do? Calculate, which is second trace, intersect. So press 5. First curve, yes. My second curve, yes. I want to get this point over here. So you press enter. Then you get 6, 3. So my answer is what? 6. That's it. But this question asks you what are coordinates of the points, right? So let's have coordinate pair 6, 3. All right. So if the question asks you only x value, then you put x value. If the question asks you the point, then you can just say it 6, 3. All right. So my second question, look. My third question, example 3, and you have two functions here, right? And then look at the question. How many points of intersection does the given system of equation have? So we just want to know how many intersections. Then what do? You just graph, and then how many intersections does it have? You just check it. right? So go to y is equal to clear, and at y1, I'm going to put my first one. 1 minus x squared, right? And then my second one, 2 minus x, like this, and graph. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna zoom in to make it clear. Do you have any intersection, guys? Nope. And think about it. My graph looks like this. You have a parabola and a line like this. Is there any chance to have any intersection? Never. So, none. So that's my answer for this. And oh, that's it. That's it, guys. So you just need to know how to use a calculator step by step, how to use the shortcut, all right, and how to use this link. So that link I uploaded, you need to like copy it down to somewhere, all right, or on your computer, open it and then make it like save it for the bookmark or favorite website or whatever, all right, so that you can use it over and over again. So if you have any question, you can text me. And for the lesson quiz, guys, my daughter's Emily, her name is Emily, and she's 5 years old. Okay, she's 5. And she's gonna be 6 this coming August, but right now she is 5. So your answer will be 5. Alright? So please answer that lesson quiz and complete your work tomorrow. I'm gonna upload your homework tomorrow, something about this one. Alright? Alright, guys. Bye bye.